What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about NIO. The past couple of weeks have been brutal for NIO and small cap tech companies in particular, but I want to go through an updated analysis on NIO from a bigger time frame because things honestly are really not looking that good. I don't want to scare anybody. I don't want to spread FUD, but things are not looking too hot here, and there is a potential chance that we could see NIO drop to $10. So hit the like button, guys. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check out the Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live stream seminars, webinars, and even some free trades. I threw out 3 free trades today that made me over $1,300. You guys also get access to one of the best unusual options bots out there. This bot is $200 a month that we pay for, so you guys can get it for free. You guys get access to free heat maps, free unusual flow, and as well free dark pools. So the link is in the description, guys. We would love to have you guys a part of the group. Now let's take a look at NIO. Normally we take a look at like your average daily chart, which is something that we normally try to watch here on this channel. That's really the main time frame that I like to trade off of, but I decided I wanted to go through and I wanted to talk to you guys about the bigger time frame. So first thing I want to do quickly is throw up this daily chart and talk about some major things here that we should probably be worried about, and then we're going to go over some of the more bigger time frames. The first thing I want you guys to realize is we have a gap that we just filled today. So we had a gap fill right here down to this like range of $23.74. This has been a gap that we've been trying to fill for a while, and finally we have seen this thing finally fill. Now if we take a look at this gap fill, you can also see we have another one to fill potentially all the way down to like $11.50, and then another one all the way down to $10.25. And when we zoom out here on this weekly chart, this is the gap fill that I am really more so worried about. So I'm going to zoom in and then I'm going to actually like draw this out for you guys so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let's make this a little bit better of a color. Let's just maybe make this like blue or something so it's easier to see. So looking at this, this is that gap fill that I'm talking about, and it's down to about $10.52. And if we look at this bigger time frame, there are a lot of bearish things that are happening right here. Number one, we broke through major support at $32 back like in the beginning of December. We fell down to like final support here at $27, which you can see here I have a big Fibonacci drawn out. So this Fibonacci is basically from this major breakout that we had back in March of 2019 up until now. So the strongest Fibonacci line, as you guys know who have been trading for a bit or have been using Fibonacci's for a bit, as you guys know, the strongest line on a Fibonacci, most of the time is going to end up being this 61% fib, and the 61% fib is set up right here around $26. So this is really like the last line in the sand. Like the Fibonacci, like we had to hold this Fibonacci line here at $25, which we just weren't able to, which is a very, very bad sign. And with the heat map thrown up right here, you can see that there is really no volume below 25. All of the volume on this weekly chart is down here between $1 and like $8. So looking even here at the daily chart, zooming in a little closer in time, all of the volume is up here above $35. So if we snap 23, which like this isn't even really that big of a support, which does worry me, but we will probably see this thing continue to drop down to $10 in the next couple of weeks, which would be about a 60% fade from here. Now, like I said, my goal is not to scare anybody long term. Like if you're if you're investing in this for the next 5 to 10 years, none of this matters. However, if you're somebody who doesn't want to potentially ride that wave, this might be something for you to pay attention to. Now, we're not quite dead in the water yet. We do have earnings coming up here on February 28th, but over the next couple of weeks, guys, specifically the next 2 weeks, we need to get back over 25. Like minimally, we have to hold over $25. It's extremely important that that happens. So my goal here was not to scare you, but my goal here is to bring awareness to you guys. I'll continue to monitor the situation, keep you guys posted. Let me know what tickers you guys want me to look over. Put them down in the comments section. As always, guys, thank you for all of your support, and I'll see you over in our Discord community. Peace.